Samsung One UI 7 Clock app, port for Android devices. Starting with the app itself, the One UI 7 Clock comes with a refreshed design that aligns with Samsung's latest design language. While the timer is running, there's supposed to be a mini pop-up widget, but instead, it appears in the notification panel. Interesting. The new alarm interface looks sleek and well-designed. Now, let's jump into the settings to explore the available features. There's a lot to customize here, including adjusting volume levels, setting an alarm background, vibration settings, mini timer widget. Now, let's check out the available widgets. It looks like we have plenty to choose from. Let me place them all for a quick view. Digital clock with customization options, alarm widget, classic number clock, dual clock widget. All the widgets seem to be working smoothly, and the animations look great. Let's switch to dark mode and see how it feels. That looks really clean. So, how to install? Follow the simple guidance. 1. Download the app from the link in the video description. 2. Install the APK like any normal app. 3. That's it, you're good to go. Let me know in the comments how it's working on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.